Hello out there, Chef Tom.
And Mama Mia.
Hey, why did the chicken cross the road?
So, to get pizza beer.
You stole my thunder.
We have these pizza beers here for us, and the rest goes into the chickens.
Overnight, these chickens will rest in a bed of pizza beer, and they're going to be so happy when it's done, they'll be the best chickens ever.
Yeah.
We're doing chickens two ways, hot and not.
Let's start with the hot, because I like hot.
All right, let's get started on these jalapenos. It looks like the store had a sale on jalapenos.
2 pounds for $1. We're going to use them all.
What do you say we use the food processor?
Color of those. It's beautiful.
In go the chickens. Put enough pizza beer to completely cover them.
Now it's time for the spicy one.
I think this is going to take every bit of pizza beer that we have left. I hope the brewery's ready to make some soon. Alright, already. I'll put a lid on it.
Throw them in the fridge and we'll see you in the morning.
In the Blues Brothers movie, they had country and western. Well, we've got charcoal and...
Yeah. Drain a bit.
Oh, let me move your beer here.
Don't want any of that going in there. It's definitely happy.
The spices we're going to use are traditionally used in a lot of Indian cooking. This ought to taste pretty good, huh?
Oh.
Yogurt.
Salt.
Black pepper. Cardamom.
Cumin.
Cinnamon.
Garlic. Ooh, lots of garlic.
And curry.
Oh.
Once again, if you're afraid to get your hands messy, don't bother cooking. Go out to eat. Next step is to address the chicken. Hello, chicken. Ah.
It's happy.
Woo!
Woo, woo, woo.
Be the first to shake your hand.
More
Okay.
pizza beer, please.
Look at that, charcoal and gas, side by side like brothers should be.
Check it out. Does this not look beautiful or what?
170-degree internal temperature.
Oh.
Boy, smell those Indian spices. Ah, they're so aromatic.
I'm ready to eat. How about you?
Let's take it off.
Let's go.
Indian style chicken, let's find out what it's like, huh?
Carve it up.
Well, I don't think, you know what?
You're not going to have to carve it. You just pull it right off because this is falling off the bone.
Look at that, huh? Woo! Wait.
Juicy, juicy.
Juicy, juicy, juicy. There's a wing.
Ooh.
Those are good together. What a perfect combination. Again, simple to do. Took about an hour and a half.
Incredible.
An hour and a half from start to finish. A little prep time. From here on out, we'll see you next time.
And we're going to be happy drinking pizza beer.
Absolutely. Cheers.
Costs too much. Vodka puts my mouth in gear. Or this little refrain should help me explain. As a matter of fact, I love beer.